All right, what's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be posting a video that everyone's been asking me about, which is that IS300 that I've been building. So I have a couple big updates on that car. I got everything working pretty good on it. I've been daily driving it for about a week. That's awesome. And I've been super busy at work. I also bought a house and been working on the car just kind of on my off time. I'm actually going to post a couple clips in this video showing how it runs, how it sounds, and actually how it looks now, which is completely different from what y'all have seen before. It's pretty exciting. So let's not waste any more time and let's get to it. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up for today. I hope you guys like the progress so far. Hopefully I'm gonna get it painted here in the next couple weeks. I'm gonna get the bumper fixed on the front. So I'm gonna leave in the description below all the links to the parts that I use for this build. So tomorrow morning I have a flight to catch. I'm going to Vegas, but when I get back, I'm gonna make more videos on how to do the front facing intake manifold. I'm also gonna do a video on how to sand the car and paint it. Catch you next time.